This is probably the toughest controller we've ever built. We went through 14 revisions. Countless prototypes hit the trash before we finally got it right. It started back in April 2024, when Apple finally allowed emulated apps on the App Store. Within days, those old games from our childhood were back on our phones. We downloaded every emulator we could find and played all night, but something still felt off. It wasn't the visuals or the music or nostalgia wearing thing, it was the lack of that click. That physical, satisfying feel between your thumb and the button. Playing on a touchscreen always feels like there's glass between you and the game. Modern mobile titles were made for swipes and taps. Retro games weren't. That era's joy came from the D-pad and 2 buttons. The rhythm, the muscle memory, the surprise when a combo lands just right. Most mobile controllers today are either too tiny to hold or too big to carry. And that's when it hit us. The real magic isn't in the game, it's in that 1mm of feedback under your fingertips. So we built something new. Meet the abxylute M4 magnetic controller, made for retro gaming in the mobile world. Tiny, magnetic, and always ready. Snap it to the back of the phone, toss it in your bag, or clip it to your keys. Now you can play anywhere, waiting in line, on the train, in between moments. We scrapped dozens of concepts to balance 4 things that rarely get along. Good looks, great feel, true portability, and a solid magnetic mount. Every millimeter we shaved off took hundreds of tests. The M4 uses flat analog sticks like those on the PSP and the NDS. Smooth, compact, instantly familiar. For cloud and streaming games, you can still trigger L3 and R3 through combo keys. And because it's detachable, you can play horizontally, vertically, or even stick your phone on a stand. Whatever feels right. You had to stay on your phone without blocking the camera. Let you still type and take calls, and be small enough to forget you are carrying it. We've seen other teams exploring similar ideas, and that's exciting. Good design always finds its way into the world. We could have launched months ago, but we kept holding back, polishing every detail. Now it's finally ready for production. Once our crowdfunding campaign ends, we'll ship straight to every backer. And this is just the start. M4 is the first in the new family of controllers, each with its own shape, style, and purpose. Because some things shouldn't change with time. The pure joy of gaming still lives in that simple moment when your thumb presses down and the world reacts.